In the heart of the Pacific is a $13 billion warship, a floating fortress, unstoppable, untouchable, or anything as they thought it would have been. Because 2,000 miles away, an enemy commander doesn't need battleships, he doesn't need fighter jets, he has something faster than anything in the world. A $15 million weapon designed for one purpose, total destruction for the $13 billion machinery. But here is the real shock, a weapon that costs less than a used car can also devastate the carrier. Let me explain. And here lies the secret, the hidden secret of the weakness no one talks about. So now the question remains, are carrier strike groups still the king of naval warfare, or are they just waiting for extinction? A single US carrier has more firepower than most air forces in the world, with over 75 warplanes ready for combat, with cruise missiles capable of precision strike, with electronic warfare system to jam and blind the enemy's radar. But here is the cold truth, power doesn't guarantee survival, because now the game has changed. With China's DF-21D and Russia's Zircon, a Mach 9 hypersonic missile, and the cheapest killer of them is a drone swarm launched from a boat. When sent in thousands in a coordinated strike, even the most advanced warship in the world won't survive. I know it might sound like I cooked this up. Here is the proof. On March 5th, 2024, Ukraine used a coordinated drone swarm, both area and naval, to sink a Russian warship near Crimea. A nation without a massive navy taking down a warship with drones. Now imagine this on a global scale. If a hypersonic missile locks on a carrier at Mach 6, it is too fast, too smart, too deadly for the carrier. The carrier defenses will scramble. Well, the Aegis missile will fire, but there are too many targets because you can't take it off what is faster than you. And if they use electronic warfare system to jam signal, it won't work because these missiles don't need guidance, as they know where they are every second. And then the impact is faster. The warship is erupting in flames. The mighty fortress of steel is crippled in seconds. This is not the future, this is now. But is this the end of the carrier? No, but only if they will evolve. The US Navy isn't backing down as they develop AI-controlled drones, the future wingsman, the underwater hunter killers, silent, unseen, and unstoppable. Hypersonic interceptor designed to hunt the hunters. Laser weapon used to turn the battlefield into a war of light speed precision. Because carrier were never just about launching jets, now they must become the nerve center of the next generation of warfare. But with the right technology, preparation, and strategy, carriers can survive. So right now, carriers are 100% vulnerable to ICBM, Kenzal's hypersonic missile, DF-17s, and the drone swarms attack. And if they don't adapt, they won't just be damaged, they will be wiped off the map. So are carrier strike groups still the king of naval warfare? The answer is simple, only if they evolve. And another hidden weakness is reliance on old software technology, which are vulnerable to cyber attack. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, and share this with everyone who likes military strategy, because the future of the war is here. I go in peace.